Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I have got a great recipe for you today. I think you're really gonna like it. This is a watermelon salsa. So this is obviously seasonal. It's great during the summertime. Really refreshing, and it's got some ingredients in it that I hope that you'll like. I think you will. I do. And it's gonna start with the star, which is gonna be some watermelon. 4 cups of it, cubed up. Yeah, and I say this all the time, but I could just take a spoon and just like shovel that into my mouth. We had a pool party yesterday at our house. Had a bunch of kids over, and family members. And there's nothing like being outside and just slicing open a whole watermelon and cutting off chunks of it and watching kids eat watermelon in the yard. Gosh, it reminds me so much of when I was a little kid. And we had friends down in Cordele that worked a watermelon farm, and we just sat around and chowed down on watermelons. We would eat them, gnats and all. Down in Southwest Georgia, we would have, everybody's seen them. Different types of gnats everywhere. In Savannah, we have sand gnats, which are a real pain. But down there, they're just these, they just buzz around, getting your eyes and your nose and your ears and everything. They'll land on the watermelon, man. I remember we would just eat gnats and all. Nothing like a good, fresh watermelon. And Cordele, Georgia is like home of maybe even the best. All right, so I just started talking. I kind of forgot what I was doing. So tomato, I just added some tomato to my watermelon. A little jalapeno, that's gonna give it a nice little flair, right? Jalapeno, some lime juice, because citrus makes everything better. It's also a nice natural preservative. Okay. Some garlic salt. That's gonna be nice too. And purple onion, which this is where you might lose people. People are like, oh, purple onion. But you know what? We're talking about seasonal stuff, so if you can get your hands on some Vidalia onion also, like a sweeter onion, that might float your boat. But purple onion looks really nice in this recipe. And some olive oil. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3 on the olive oil. Oh, that's gonna be so nice. And last but not least, some cilantro. Might lose some people here too, because I know that some of us, when we eat cilantro, taste dish soap, and some of us don't. So more or less, depending on what you like. You could use fresh parsley here if you wanted to instead of cilantro, but I'm going with cilantro. And I'm just gonna chop up a couple of tablespoons of it. Sorry. A couple of tablespoons of it. I think it's gonna balance things out nicely, those flavors. Yeah. Not to mention that nice pop of color. So cilantro, those are great ingredients right there. Really nice, fresh, just screams summertime salsa. I don't know, what might we eat this with?
Chips. You could put that.
Be good on some chips.
Like you could, that could be with some you know what I mean? Some different types of meats that.
Absolutely. Little side dish.
Yep.
If you were to do some
I could eat that by
ribs or
I wouldn't even need the chips.
Me too. Just give me a giant spoon and get out of the way.
Yeah, exactly.
And I'm gonna try to fold all these ingredients together so as not to mash it up. I don't want watermelon juice. I want it to hold together and look nice. That looks really great. That's not too much purple tomato, so if purple tomatoes don't do it for you, it's not too much.
Purple onion.
Or I'm sorry, purple onion. I said, what did I say? Purple tomato? Purple potato? Oh my God. Got my mind on other things, I guess. Okay, so that looks really, really nice and refreshing. And I want to taste it, so. we go. Oh man. It's so satisfying. Watermelon's fantastic. Mixed with the tomatoes, the onions, the garlic salt's right there. The cilantro is good. That's really, really nice. Make this at the house, even if you don't know what you might eat with it or how you might eat it, but that would be good on a really good chip too. So happy summer, y'all. This is a good one that you'll like. So watermelon salsa.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.